Hello and welcome back to Resolution Info. In this video, I will show you how to record a 360 video on GoPro MAX 360. Let's begin! First, let's make sure that we are in correct mode. Currently we are in photo mode and of course we want to be in video. We can do that by swiping our finger into video, or alternatively, we can click the button at the side to switch the mode. Once we are in the video, we can click the button in the left corner to switch from hero mode to 360 video mode. Then you can click this and pencil icon to change its resolution and FPS. You have the ability to switch between 3K and 3.6K, with also the ability to change the 60 FPS, but you will notice that this device must support, I have no idea how to spell it, to play back at this resolution/FPS. And this setting we can enable in the settings themselves. So we can go back into our main mode, which we can't go back to for no reason. I didn't understand. Okay, never mind. Now we want to expand your control center, preferences, and I believe that this will be found in general, because as you can see, we do have our video compression and we can switch it to only this. So now we can simply record in any resolution we want, if I understand this correctly. But of course you can always correct me in the comments down below if I'm just like doing some random stuff. Honestly, I have no idea. But anyway, after you have set it up, all you want to do is simply press the shutter button to record a 360 video. You can of course take our GoPro, move it around if you want to, but I'm going to leave it like that. And after you've done, you can hit the shutter button once again, and the video is saved. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.